Welcome to the Cabinet Manufacturing Marketing Benchmarks for 2026. Powered by CUFinder, this report breaks down the digital marketing metrics that matter most for cabinet manufacturing professionals worldwide. Device distribution shows mobile at 54%, desktop at 54%, and tablet at 54%. Mobile optimization is essential for reaching your audience effectively in this industry. For engagement, average session duration is 16 minutes with 4.2 pages per session. The bounce rate averages 42%. Traffic sources reveal organic search drives 44.5% of all traffic. Direct traffic accounts for 30%. Paid search brings 14.5%, and social contributes 1.4%. For pay-per-click, Google Ads CPC averages $4.85. Facebook ads cost $1 per click. The average cost per acquisition is $85. Conversion rates show an overall rate of 3.1%. Retention metrics show a 78% customer retention rate. On social media, LinkedIn leads at 1.9% engagement, Instagram follows at 1.4%, TikTok is at 0%. Email marketing shows an average open rate of 24.5%. Click-through rate is 2.9%. Key takeaways for cabinet manufacturing. Mobile traffic at 54% makes mobile first essential. LinkedIn leads social engagement at 1.9%. Email open rates of 24.5% show strong audience engagement. And organic search drives 44.5% of all traffic. Thank you for exploring the Cabinet Manufacturing Benchmarks 2026. For more data-driven insights and to find your customers faster, visit CUFinder at CUFinder.io.